afternoon. It is about 11:45 and I'm picking up the camera now because I had a full morning of teaching and editing and getting a video up, so I started the vlog late. I am going to head over to my mom's house with Wally to hang out with my brother-in-law. He is leaving this coming weekend and Andrew's at work, Emily's at work, so we'll hang out for a bit and kind of figure out what the light, where's my light? This is good. And kind of figure out today, and then as well as I have a lash appointment tonight, as in I'm doing someone's lashes, which is so awesome and fun. Anyways, I am going to pack up my stuff and a little bit of Walter stuff, and then we're going to head out. Definitely pick up a coffee, maybe grab some lunch, and yeah, I will bring you along. I just scared Walter really badly from a nap. Oh, we're just here hanging with Aaron. Aaron, say hi. Aaron's somewhere over there. And Walter and I are just working.
I'm working too.
You're out. Aaron won't let me film him. Anyways, Walter and I are just hard at work. Actually, I have been getting work done, but it just looks so boring to film myself on a computer, so I'm taking a break and saying hello. Hello. I have to show you. I'm at a stop sign. It looks like fall from where I'm sitting right now. I don't know if this is showing up in the video, but like all of these trees down here, there's one down there that's orange. It's actually not really translating, but for real, looks exactly like fall.
Like that.
Oh, that's a nice color actually. These cancel a lot of noise. Am I yelling? Woohoo! Hit it with 2 sticks, not 1.
I was very good with Lloyd's.
We got a piano. This is actually a MIDI keyboard because we're going to work on make music. Make some noise. Make some noise. And it is stinking raining outside. It doesn't really look like it doesn't really look like it's raining anymore, but it is. Just making yourself at home, huh? Where did you come from? Where's Walter? Where's Walter? He's not here anymore. No, your best friend is gone. You're probably happy about that. Just at the train station now. I'm wearing this sweater. It's very hot out, but I was in the basement and Aaron and I grabbed food and it was so cold. The air conditioning in the basement and at the restaurant was like blasting, and I still feel a little chilly, so I decided to keep this on. I hope I'm not getting a cold. I'm picking up Andrew from the train, and then I'm going to go to set everything up to do lashes tonight, which I think is so fun. I'm so excited. I'm loving doing lash extensions. I don't think I've fully, I guess I've talked about it, but yeah, so if you missed that video, I'm a lash technician or a lash artist, and I've just started my own little lash business, my own lash biz. So I'm just working on a small amount of clients at the beginning, just getting the groove, and yeah, I'm loving it. I'm having a lot of fun. But yeah, this day has been has been fun, unexpected. Aaron and I were waiting for this package to come that he needed something from Kansas City, so we were waiting around, and then we went to Long McQuaid, and I don't know, all that stuff. So yeah, there's not a lot of action in this video, a lot of talking, but that's okay. So we'll pick up Andrew and I'll show you my setup when I have it all ready. Look at that. Oops. That is a full-blown sign of fall. It's coming. I just realized I never ended the vlog, so I will end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Good night.